So today I'm going to show you how my voice sounds like when I'm saying this thing, and then so this is my normal voice right now. So we're going to show you right now what it looks like. Okay guys, this is how my voice looks like. Is it good? Like the video. Okay, I'm joking. Don't like the video. I'm not looking. The YouTubers say that. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. Subscribe, notification bells. Actually, don't do that. I'm not one of those YouTubers. Remember guys, if you go inside Arsenal and go to okay guys, now we are gonna show you right now when it finishes uploading. So now if you go inside of crate number 4, you can get the clown skin. Who actually got from, so it's actually pretty lucky I got it. So it's actually pretty lucky. So guys, see you later. And guys, see you later. Bye. Go inside of crate number 4 to get the clown skin. Get this crate to get the clown skin. Yeah, just get this crate and get the clown skin. It's the best update ever. Okay, got jokes I have to say. This is just the crate you get it from.